Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can take a screenshot for the chart in NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So as you can see here, we have this chart, the S&P chart. So we have two options. The first one is you can go and if you have Windows, you can use the sniping tool, this one, or go to search and type sniping tool. Okay, this is the first one. This is a screenshot, or you can use the screenshot from NinjaTrader. So just click on the right click in your mouse, and as you can see here, we have save chart image. Click on it just one time, give it a name. So let's keep it this one. Then click on save. Let's go to our desktop. And as you can see here, this is the screenshot. I think this is way better than the sniping tool. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.